Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be learning buffaloes. Now there are 4 different types of buffaloes I'm going to be teaching you. We have our single, double, our single with a pickup, and our double with a pickup. Now let's get started. Okay, let's get started with that single buffalo. We're going to start with our step, shuffle, jump, and make sure to cross that foot in front. So let's do that 4 more times, nice and slow. Go step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. Okay, now let's do it 4 times slowly on the other side. So start with that left foot and go step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. Step, shuffle, jump. All right, this is what it's going to look like from the back. Start with that right foot, nice and slow. And with your left foot. Now let's try that a little bit faster on the right. Ready? And on the left foot. Good job. Now from the back. And the left foot. Okay, now for those doubles, instead of starting with a step, we are going to start with a flap. So nice and slow. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. For the left side, flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. And from the back, flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Other foot. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Flap, shuffle, jump. Okay, now let's try that a little bit faster. And from the back. Okay, for our third one, we are going to be doing single buffaloes with a pickup. So it's almost the exact same, we are just adding a pickup in there. So step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Okay, now let's try it with the other foot. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Okay, from the back, it'll look like this. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Other foot. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. Step, shuffle, pickup, switch. And this is what they will look like faster. And this is what they'll look like from the back. Other foot. Okay, for our final one, we are going to be doing a double buffalo with a pickup. So let's start. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. Flap, right, let's do it from the other side. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. This is what they'll look like from the back. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. Other foot. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. Flap, shuffle, pick up, switch. And this is what they will look like faster. And this is what they'll look like from the back. All right, guys, I hope you had fun learning those buffaloes today. Make sure to check back every week on our channel for new content.